John Boer started his company on October 13, 1960, following his career as a sales representative at Montfort B.V. in Amsterdam. His success at Montfort, as well as the many trips to Africa that kept him away from home for months on end, made it easier for John to embark on his own business venture. Incon was born a business active in tank construction. A few years into Incon, John decided to build his own storage tanks in Montfort with great success. As it was necessary for the tanks to be built outside, however, John found it difficult to thrive in this fickle industry due to the dependence on weather. He was ready for a change of pace, something different to direct his energies to. John happened to meet one of the then largest welding electrode manufacturers in the world, Kobe Steel. After several conversations with Kobe, he received exclusive rights for the Netherlands. John got his foot in the door with ion welding technology. He reduced tank production and focused on electrode sales. At the end of 1960s, Incon was officially renamed to Translas Midden Nederland B.V, located in De Meern, province of Utrecht.